we're going to look at finding the missing endpoint without being able to graph it. For example, let's take those exact same points. R is an endpoint, and its endpoint was at -1, 3. Now we have M, the midpoint. M, 2, 4 on a graph. Without graphing it, how would you find the missing endpoint S? Well, we'll do it the exact same way except for mathematically. Let's take a look at the x values. If we go from -1 on the x-coordinate axis to the 2, how far would you have to move? Well, from -1 to 2, you would have to add 3. So, if we have to add 3 to get from -1 to 2, we'll have to make that exact same movement to find our missing endpoint. So we'll have to add 3. So now you take 2 plus 3, and you get 5. There's your x value for your missing endpoint. Now let's take a look at the y values. If you are on the y-axis and you move from 3 up to 4, you add 1. Now let's take a look at how would you make it to the endpoint. Well, you're going to have to do the exact same movement, so let's add 1 again. And we take the 4 plus the 1, and we get 5. So our missing endpoint is 5, 5, and that is your final answer for the missing endpoint. Now notice it's the exact same endpoint we found by graphing in the last video.